I'm literally blown away. Let me show you. What happened last night? Oh, this wind. There's the tree. Cold. Happy packages. Happy packages have arrived. When I was conveniently outside, how cool is that? So, I am trying to set this straight here. Truly blessed that no vehicles were damaged last night in the windstorm. It's still really windy today. And I hope all of you out there watching are blessed as well that you've not had to deal with any damage. I'll have to get that cut up and cleaned up, but not today. It ain't happening today. So, truly blessed for that. Sense of community around here is not here. Neither one of my neighbors came out to help. Very different from when I grew up. Our neighbors were always helping and we were always helping them out. So it's a different world that we live in today, I guess. So another sense of community that I'm truly blessed, and I want to thank everyone who showed up at the Indie Knit and Spin here in Pittsburgh. It was a great turnout. I did wonderful. I was so thrilled and so pumped that I came back with very little, and it's still bagged. And the box that I just carried in is some shelving that I've been waiting for, so I can truly get this organized in here a little bit better. But I have to show you the sense of community that the Fibre Arts has is tremendous, because there's just a sense of, I'm going to help you out if you help me out. And that just goes to show that it's such a great community to be in. So here's some goodies that I just was eyeing up. And this one is from the Good Water and Company. And it's a bag that will hold my yarn, and you can put the yarn out through the top. Pretty neat. I thought, I could put this in a big tote, have my yarn ball not be all messed up, because I normally shop yarn in bags or whatever, and they get lost in the bottom of the tote. So pretty cool, awesome. I like the little piece there from a board game. Another one that I was eyeing up for a long time is a skein of yarn. Yes, I dye yarn. Yes, I do buy other people's yarn, because everyone's different in their techniques and how they dye. So do I always want to knit with my own yarn? No. Hands down, no. We all are the same. But this one's from Wren House Yarns. She is awesome. And this one, I believe, is Fiddleworth is the name of it. And it's pretty cool. This has been reskeined. How do I know? Because she had some DK weight that wasn't reskeined. But DK weight is going to work up differently than fingering weight, even though they're dyed the same. And of course, you can't stop the dye. So we're going to do something cool with this, and I can't wait to do that. And also, I bought Fibre. Yeah. I bought some Leaseter long wool locks that I'm going to spin. Well, I'm going to dye these up first. Probably show you how to do that. But she also had some really cool locks as well. And these are BFL. And I bought 2 different types of wool so I could show you the difference in the length of locks. If I can pull one out of here. And look how curly that is. Isn't that cool? And of course, if you know me, I love green. Green and blue are my favorite colors, so of course I picked green. And there was so many other vendors there. I normally buy handmade soaps or wool wash or, you know, just other stuff that interests me. So the community is great there. Community in everyday life, I don't know. I think we need to maybe build a facility for all of us. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? So with that being said, Gus is still a little restless with the wind being outside. I guess it's time for me to unpack this shelving unit that I've been eyeing up and get stuff organized here in the studio. So like this, if that's something you do, subscribe as well and hit the button so you get notified when I post a new video. We'll see you soon. Just in case you're wondering, yes, that is all I came back with. How cool is that? You guys rock. So, good old Amazon. Get this put together. And shop will be updated soon. Enjoy.